The Light Combat Aircraft is a light multi-role jet military aircraft that has commonly derived from advanced trainer designs, which has been designed for engaging in light combat. The mission can either be in a light strike or attack mission, reconnaissance, interdiction roles, or trainer roles. The light combat aircrafts are typically slower than larger multi-role or strike aircraft such as the American F-18, F-15E Strike Eagle, or Russian MiG-29. Most light combat aircraft are capable only of subsonic speeds, although some are capable of reaching Mach 1 plus speed. Bombs, gun pods, or short-range air-to-air missiles are generally equipped by the light combat aircrafts as they are used for COIN or CAS missions. Some aircraft integrate more advanced armaments such as smart bombs, air-to-ground missiles, ECM pods, which stand for electronic countermeasures, and electronic targeting systems. However, these aircrafts are usually used for self-defense or anti-hostile aircraft helicopter missions. Some of the light combat aircrafts are also capable of air-to-air combat or point air defense missions if equipped with multi-mode radar systems. Still, the majority cannot perform these missions due to their small design and limited capability. The LCAs are often used to patrol the skies and implement border patrol or air policing as well. Talking about the JF-17 fighter jets, they have been developed by the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex and the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation of China. It was designed to replace the A-5C, F-7P, Mirage 3 and Mirage 5 combat aircrafts in the Pakistan Air Force. The JF-17 can be used for multiple roles including interception, ground attack, anti-ship and aerial reconnaissance. These fighter jets can deploy diverse ordnance including air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, including anti-ship missiles and a 23 mm GSH-23 twin-barrel autocannon. Back in December 2020, the PAC began serial production of a more advanced Block 3 version of the aircraft with an AESA radar, a more powerful Russian Klimov RD-93MA engine, a larger and more advanced head-up display, along with electronic countermeasures and enhanced weapons capability. The Indian fighter jet has a maximum speed of Mach 1.8, that is 2,222 km per hour, and can travel around 500 km with drop tank. On the other hand, the JF Thunder has a maximum speed of Mach 1.6, which is 1,975 km per hour. While the Indian LCA weighs around 6,500 kilograms and has a total take-off weight of 13,000 kilograms, the JF-17 Thunder weighs 6,586 kilograms and has a maximum take-off weight of 12,383 kilograms. Along with being equipped by Israel's Alta ELM 2032 multi-mode fire-controlled radar on board, the Indian Tejas can carry laser-guided bombs, air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, along with anti-ship missiles. On the other hand, the JF-17 fighter can also carry air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, laser-guided bombs, but is equipped with a China-made airborne pulse Doppler fire-controlled radar on board.